Tonight, we've selected 3 brand new startups to pitch their companies to the panel.
The panel will be looking for originality, marketability, scalability, and their ability to have already planted the fact that they are a winner into our brains.
The pitch rules are simple. Rule number 1, you have 2 minutes. Rule 2, at 30 seconds, you're going to hear this sound. That's
There
where
it
it is. Rule number 3, a robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. Bit of Asimov for you there, sci-fi fans.
The panel will then have an opportunity to give feedback to our contestants. And the first pitcher in tonight's pitch ring has managed to bend space and time with a project management platform more effective than intravenous caffeine. Please welcome Murat Baziov.
How many people here try to develop a website or mobile app? I worked as a project manager for years. My role was to translate between tech and non-tech people. And we know that developers live in their own time-space continuum, isn't it? That is why Adevi is here to help. Adevi is an end-to-end app prototyping platform that produces source code and allows all teams to collaborate. In 2011, I founded an app development company here in Melbourne. You see, I came from non-IT background, but had a good exposure to project management. That made me question the processes I was employing in app development. Most of the time, the difficulty is not a technical complexity. There are 3 main problems. First, communication. Second, communication. And again, communication. They're all of different nature, so let me explain. First problem, when client approaches a software development team to start the project. Second problem, internal team communication within the software development team. Third problem, technology communication that's caused by fragmentation of the tools we employ throughout the process. Adevi's solution removes communication problems across all 3 areas. It provides a knowledge-based system that expands from usage. It has a chatbot experience, learning algorithms to improve user experience. This results in saved time, resources, and money. It takes less than an hour to produce stable source code. It avoids iteration, and the output is a pixel-perfect prototype. It allows to test prototype in real life and to upgrade existing projects fast. It supports various user interfaces and has further scope to grow in automation. Today, we are reaching pre-launch stage to complete app prototype, and we're engaging with universities and further with app development companies to learn from their feedback. The project is ready to scale technically. We have launched Marketplace to support commercial scalability. Software development, in general, holds lots of risks. We are on the journey to reduce them. We are looking for investors to partner to shape Adevi future. Visit us at adevi.io. Thank you.
Thank you, Murat. Michelle, let's start with you. Any questions about Adevi?
Well, of course, I have to ask the question whether or not you're thinking about security by design. How are you addressing how you protect the data within the platform?
So we're not going to disclose the project unique features of the prototypes that people are actually going to build through the platform. What we're going to do, there's a lot, we're going to learn from the repeatable patterns of between those projects. And that's what we're going to allow. And another stage we have a thought for further development, is apply a blockchain technology to actually protect intellectual property through the blockchain. But that's still in consideration.
Of course, very good.
What about you, Trent? Any questions about Adevi for Murat?
Yeah, good stuff. I guess my first question would be, is there any more specifics around the sort of real target market that you'd be looking to really work towards, and then maybe how big that market could potentially be?
Well, initially we focus on app development companies because that's the problems actually that we experience as an app development company, and we really feel their pain. There is a further plans to grow for the technology and actually apply it to different areas. I'm not going to go too much in depth on that, but app development companies, but at the same time, it's a chatbot experience, so it's actually user-friendly. So, for example, freelancers or even general public have an idea, come to Adevi and try to create your project before you actually approach software developer.
Look forward to trying it out.
Thank you so much, Murat. Would you please join us in thanking Murat?
And now it's time to check